Theta is a native blockchain with an open source protocol, meaning that it allows developers and partners to build decentralized applications on the network, as Ethereum does. It is a decentralized, peer-to-peer video delivery network powered by blockchain technology that enables free, high-bandwidth content delivery. As users watch videos, part of their computing power is harnessed to relay those videos to other users, with the primary users earning tokens as a reward. The Theta Network aims to become the next generation of entertainment technology by providing decentralized video streaming infrastructure that is cheaper than competing centralized platforms such as Twitch. The peer-to-peer video delivery platform is powered by its users and offers multiple content types, including esports, movies, TV series, and music. Theta was founded in 2017 by Mitch Liu, a serial entrepreneur who previously co-founded mobile gaming and online advertising startups, and G.A. Long, an expert on the technologies for virtual reality live streaming. In 2017, the team behind Theta hosted a private token sale, selling 30% of the capped 1 billion unit supply of Theta to raise the equivalent of $20 million to kickstart their project. Theta Labs, the company behind the Theta Network, also has its own streaming site, theta.tv. The site pays viewers in tfuel to watch video content, which as they watch it is forwarded to other viewers using some of the primary users' processing capacity. The Theta Network's advisory board includes Twitch co-founder Justin Khanna, YouTube co-founder Steve Chen, and a number of Verizon senior executives. Theta's blockchain network is based on a peer-to-peer protocol that enables participants to be rewarded with real-time payments for content distribution. The network also allows developers to build dApps on its open-source blockchain protocol. Theta utilizes a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism similar to Tendermint's blockchain protocol, which is based on staking. That means participants lock in large amounts of Theta tokens to gain the right to process transaction blocks. Theta's blockchain network is powered by 3 categories of participants. 1. Enterprise validator nodes. These are companies that stake Theta tokens to process transactions on the network. Some of the network's best-known validator nodes include Sony, Talent Shop, Creative Artists Agency, Google, and Samsung. Validator nodes are the network's first line of defense and require participants to stake 1 million Theta coins. 2. Guardian nodes. Guardian nodes are community nodes in charge of maintaining consensus by securing validation at predefined points. They are users that ensure the transaction blocks created by enterprise validator nodes perform accurately, adding a second layer of security to the protocol. If a malicious block slips through a validator node, a Guardian node will stop it. Guardian nodes only need to stake 1,000 Theta coins. 3. Edge nodes. Edge nodes allow users to relay video streams and share their bandwidth for streams on Theta.tv. They are rewarded with tfuel for supporting the network. The Theta network allows users to stream peer-to-peer without the need for a centralized content delivery network. One of the features that make Theta stand out is that it has 2 native tokens, tfuel and Theta. Theta network participants who help share video content as edge nodes are rewarded for the Theta that they stream with tfuel. The platform itself pays for the content distribution, meaning that the service is free for end users. Edge nodes don't usually stream full videos, but rather small increments of them, so end users actually watch content streamed from multiple community nodes. Much like BitTorrent, if torrent users were paid for seeding content and contributing to other parties' download speeds. Theta Network's second native cryptocurrency, Theta, is a governance token designed to help manage the blockchain and its future development. Theta has a fixed supply of 1 billion coins, avoiding the risk of inflation. Theta coins can be staked to receive tfuel as a reward, but a user needs at least 1,000 tokens to become an eligible Guardian node, and 1 million tokens to become an enterprise-level validator. Theta seeks to change the future of video delivery platforms with the help of blockchain technology and its network of validators. The software is built to encourage its global network of users to create and support a fully decentralized video streaming platform. Despite immense technological advantages, video streaming quality and loading times aren't on par with viewers' typically high expectations. This is because video streaming platforms and content distribution networks are limited by their server locations. Ordinary content distribution networks are paid to deliver video content to end users, but centralized servers simply can't keep up with the ever-increasing demand for streaming quality. Theta aims to bridge the gaps between streaming quality and speed by enabling its global user network to relay videos by using its computing power and spare bandwidth. The more users that are active on the network, the more bandwidth that will be available for video streaming, increasing streaming speed and quality with each new node. Theta enables content creators to exercise greater control over their content and its monetization, which will likely help the network's popularity. Investors convinced that the future of shared video streaming platforms is built on blockchain technology are also supporting Theta. Theta's mainnet 3.0 update, which introduces tfuel staking and uptime mining, is set to launch today, according to a Medium blog post by Theta Labs. It's one of the Theta Network's most anticipated protocol updates. After the update, Theta's edge nodes will start burning a minimum of 25% of each tfuel payment made to the network, meaning that those coins will be completely taken out of circulation. Smart contract fees and network transaction fees will also be burned to combat the prospect of tfuel inflation and add scarcity to the token. The 3.0 mainnet launch will also moderately increase gas fees for the Theta protocol, as the network aims to align value with transaction volume on its blockchain. At the time of making this video, the fees on the Theta network are near zero, and after the proposed increase, it would still be sufficiently low and cost-effective for smart contracts and dApps with transaction fees of 0.3 tfuel for send transactions, 20 tfuel to deploy a smart contract, and 1 tfuel to interact with a smart contract. As the protocol is quickly becoming fully decentralized, increased gas fees will beef up its security, especially against spam attacks using small transactions to flood the network and stop block creation altogether. Theta hopes the gas fee increase will prevent such attacks by making them too costly to launch. Mainnet 3.0, which was released in summer 2021, also introduces tfuel staking and a temporary tfuel sync, in addition to the network and transaction fee permanent sync, which will contribute to the token's long-term deflationary model. We anticipate a deflationary model as more tfuel is burned and permanently taken out of circulation, wrote Theta Labs in a Medium blog post. Ultimately, this will lead to the most optimized and balanced state, where tfuel utility value is maximized and stable. Theta is a blockchain project in the video streaming industry, which is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of more than 18% from 2020 to 24, with more long-term growth as technologies such as blockchain and virtual reality advance further. Theta aims to reduce the streaming-related costs of content distribution networks and make distribution more seamless, potentially serving industry giants such as YouTube, Twitch, and Netflix, and injecting momentum into the growth of fully decentralized content delivery platforms. Theta 3.0's mainnet launch also furthers expansion plans for the Theta Drop NFT marketplace, which may help Theta gain market share in that booming industry. Theta Labs wrote in another Medium blog post, "With our planned growth for the Theta Drop NFT marketplace, licensing of our platform to third parties and other expansion plans, we forecast that NFT interactions with Theta smart contracts alone will reach 600,000 transactions per day, at which point nearly 250 million tfuel will be burned per year, canceling out the majority of annual tfuel inflation." After the update, elite edge nodes will become decentralized storage spaces for NFTs, as Theta is establishing cross-chain bridges between its own network, Ethereum, and other decentralized networks. This can potentially solve the high costs associated with NFT minting on the Ethereum network. Mainnet 3.0 leads to a more secure, scalable, and future-proof blockchain protocol that may enable other initiatives in the industry in the future. With its corporate backers and with strategic partnerships with Samsung VR and Twitch in the pipeline, will the Theta Network disrupt the video streaming industry with its blockchain protocol? Only time will tell. To conclude, Theta is software that seeks to incentivize a global network of computers to operate a decentralized video streaming platform. Today, content delivery networks, or CDNs, geographically located networks of operators, are paid to deliver video stream content to end users. Due to being restricted by their locations, existing CDNs can't keep up with increasingly high-quality streams. Theta allows its global pool of users to relay videos by offering their spare bandwidth and computing resources and rewards them for doing so. As more users join the Theta network, more bandwidth is available, thus improving the streaming quality of the videos on the network. Central to running the operations on its blockchain, Theta boasts 2 native cryptocurrencies, Theta Coin for voting on changes to the protocol and tfuel for executing transactions. Theta is also open source software. It claims that this increases the potential for anyone to create new applications and services on top of it. Theta is a network powered by the 3 groups of participants: enterprise validator nodes, companies who stake Theta tokens for the right to process transactions on the network. Current validator nodes include Google and Samsung. Guardian nodes, users who perform work to ensure that the transaction blocks proposed by the enterprise validator nodes are accurate. Edge nodes, users who either share their bandwidth or relay video streams over the Theta network in return for tfuel. The Theta network also allows developers to build decentralized applications on top of its blockchain. Examples include royalty distribution applications and crowdfunding mechanisms. Theta network users can download an official Theta wallet app to hold or stake their Theta and tfuel tokens. Theta also has built a micropayment system for video streaming purposes that allows content viewers and creators to send and receive Theta via the official wallet app. Modified Byzantine Fault Tolerance, BFT. Central to Theta is the modified BFT, a proof-of-stake governance mechanism that keeps the distributed network of computers running Theta Network in sync. Theta's consensus mechanism differs from the traditional POS in that validator and guardian nodes participate in the consensus mechanism, adding an extra level of security to the protocol. These nodes must stake Theta tokens in order to help power the blockchain, produce blocks, and vote on changes. Validator nodes are required to stake a minimum of 10 million Theta, while guardian nodes need only to stake 100,000 Theta. Of note, voting power is determined by the amount of Theta staked. And that wraps it up for today. I hope that you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.